Hi, is that David?
It is.
How you doing, mate? You alright?
Not too bad, is that?
It's, well, I'm calling about, your plumber, I take it.
I am, yeah.
Yeah, I got your number off, John.
John.
Goldie.
Oh, right, okay. What can I do for you?
I've had a bit of a cock up in my toilet with a stopcock,
All right.
funny enough.
Right.
Yeah. I've had another plumber around. He said the stopcock's up the shit up. Something about a flange.
Something about what?
There's a cock up with a shit up.
Who is this?
It's John.
Who?
John Candy. I got your
I
number.
don't
I got your number off of him.
I don't know who you're on about.
No, I'm looking for a plumber. I need a plumber.
What's your address?
It's 172.
Yep.
172
Yep.
Mayfair, Tilehurst.
172 Mayfair.
Yeah, Tilehurst.
Okay.
Could you
Right,
help
are
me?
you home now? Are you home now?
No.
Okay, give us a tinkle when you're home and I'll pop along, because I live on the Mayfair.
Oh, you live on the Mayfair?
Yep.
Oh, so does John.
Yeah, I know, it's Irish, John.
Yeah, Irish John. McCundy.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, just give us a quick tinkle when you're home and I'll pop along.
Alright, have you got a spare stopcock?
A stopcock? I haven't, but I'll come and have a look what it is. I can always shoot and get one.
Yeah, no, the plumber said there's something wrong with the cock stop, with the flanges.
Alright. Okay, but until I see it, I wouldn't know exactly what part it is anyway, so I need to have a quick look.
Yeah, I know, but do I need to get anything, like flux or anything, Enzo tape?
Sorry?
Enzo tape.
Okay. I'll come along, give me a tinkle when you're home, and I'll come along and have a look, alright?
Yeah, same with a decompression cylinder.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah, alright. Cheers, mate.